Employee ordering process with Get WorkGear. Every employee has a unique login and can manage their own account. Forgotten passwords are no problem, as employees can reset their password at any time. Once an employee logs in, they arrive at their dashboard. The top left logo will be that of the apparel supplier. The customer's logo is top right. When creating an order, the employee only sees products assigned to their role. Get WorkGear groups staff into roles, each of which can receive different product allocations. Categories within the role display across the top and show remaining allocations. Each category has its own allocation, which limits orders based on the product quantity or price. Selecting product colours is only needed if there is more than one option available. Then choose their size and input the quantity of products required. Product allocations prevent employees from ordering more than their allocation allows. However, orders can go over allocation if a credit card payment method has been added. This allows employees to use their own credit card to purchase extra products. The cart page clearly shows all products added and allows quick and easy changes. If the employee is ordered over allocation, the cart will clearly show them where. The checkout page automatically sets the delivery address to the branch where the employee works. Employees may be able to enter a custom delivery address if permitted. Purchase code and comments fields are available. Orders can be on account or set up to pay by credit card. We hope you found this video useful. If you would like a demo, please get in touch.